I guess this is better then. Some of you know that I have reviewed the AMD RX 580, but in this video we would be taking a look at its competitor of its bigger brother, which is perhaps the Nvidia GTX 1650 Super. And like all of my other videos, we'll obviously be starting off with its unboxing first, so let's start. Just a foam cover. Ooh, and we get a folder from MSI, this must be surprising, and a thank you letter for choosing their product. That's really kind of them. Oh, so inside the folder we've actually got the package content and the graphics card guide. So this may be helpful for when you need it on downloading its drivers or support. And we get a Lucky the Dragon Computer Workshop. Let's keep the folder to the side, and here is what we had been waiting for. This is the 1650 Super. It's inside this anti-static bag, which keeps the component from being shocked. Ooh, and this is actually really well built. I'm surprised. This is really nice, especially as it is a budget graphics card. See, based on my personal preferences, I would really like a backplate on my graphics card. However, with this 1650 Super, there isn't one, but now that I think about it, I don't really think it might be necessary to have one. What I really like about these modern GPUs like this one from MSI is that they tend to be more energy efficient, and they do this by only having their fan spin once. It is at a temperature of around 60 degrees Celsius. Well, to specify this simply, it has a boost clock of 1755 MHz, 4GB of GDDR6 memory VRAM, which is basically faster than the GDDR5 you received from the RX 580, and it has 4 ports which are included in the backside, which are 3 display ports and an HDMI. What I did specifically wish that Nvidia should have done with this GTX 1650 Super was to increase the VRAM. Before we continue, about 80% of you guys have not subscribed to this channel, so a subscribe would be really helpful. Now back to the video. And now it's basically time for me to swap my older graphics card for this 1650 Super. And as you guys can see here, I have officially downloaded the drivers for the 1650 Super, and I have tried out some games and they played really well. I've been getting really good FPS frame rates while playing these games, and I have updated all my drivers. It's a really good graphics card until now. In the settings, I have the GeForce Experience downloaded as well with 16 GB of RAM, and I have the 1650 Super right here. Oh yeah, I can use this at 1080p with 75 Hz and it works perfectly.